New York Times just launched an AI writing assistant that creators are obsessed with. But does it actually work? We tested it so you don't have to. The New York Times recently introduced an AI-powered writing assistant designed for journalists and content creators. It analyzes your writing style, suggests improvements, and helps optimize headlines for engagement. Think of it as a professional editor in your pocket. The tool integrates directly with their publishing platform and uses advanced language models trained on years of quality journalism data. The tool offers real-time grammar corrections, tone adjustment, SEO headline optimization, and fact-checking integration. You paste content, it analyzes instantly and provides specific suggestions. Unlike generic AI writers, this focuses on quality journalism standards. Perfect for creators wanting professional-level writing without hiring editors. Works across blogs, newsletters, and social content. Pricing starts at 15-day month for freelancers, scaling to enterprise plans. Best for content creators, small media teams, and newsletter writers. Honestly, it's game-changing if you publish regularly but can't afford professional editors. The ROI is solid $10 monthly, save hours on editing. Not ideal for casual bloggers or freelance monthly cost edges. We tested it for 2 weeks. Pros, accurate suggestions, saves editing time, improves readability scores. Cons, occasionally misses context, monthly cost adds up. Bottom line, if you're a serious creator or freelancer, this investment pays for productivity. It won't replace human judgment, but definitely enhances your workflow. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Drop a comment. Which AI writing tool do you currently use?